Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special unboxing video to do. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below. This is coming from Idle Sleep. Hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. Like I said, if you guys are needing a new mattress, this is another good one to get. Coming from Idle. 12-inch queen size. I got to rearrange that room and set this one up. So we're going to do the unboxing and a little review at the end. So grab some popcorn. I'll be right back. Alrighty, YouTubers, we got it out of the box. Here she is. Queen size. I'm going to take one of these. If I can grab it. One of these guys and cut it open. It's going to inflate. A really cool magic trick they have. And just be careful when you get it where you slice it. So you might get the material, but just be careful. I'll show you guys in a second. Box right there. Got it open. A little toughy, but it's all good now. Hold on one sec. Alright guys, here it is. I got it sliced perfectly down the middle. And then boom. You can hear it kind of hissing. So it's going to poof out a lot more in about a few seconds. So hold on one sec. Really fast. Show you that. You can hear it. It comes with 2 pillows, which is a good bonus. And I'll be back for... Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go. We got it unboxed. Idle Sleep. Right there. Here she is. Super comfy, guys. Take a look at this diamond stitch. Really nice. Got the logo right there. All the way there. Got it right down there. Like I said, it's amazing bed. Very comfortable. Guarantee you'll get a good night's sleep. Comes with 2 pillows. Super soft. Trying to catch my breath still. So right there, Idle Sleep. Here we go. Looking good though. Super comfy though. I can't wait to try it out tonight and catch up on some sleep. So hopefully you guys click the link and take a look and check them out. Have a great weekend. Be safe. See you soon.